Okay, just a quick video. I've just got doing the exhaust leak on my El Camino. Just did the frost plugs in it yesterday, and thought I'd sort out the annoying exhaust leak that keeps occurring. This collector, if you can see that, just a 3-inch collector. Always having to replace gaskets, very annoying. It's probably because the flange on the collector is quite thin, too thin I reckon. When I made the exhaust, just made a quick exhaust, I put quite heavy flanges on it to try and resist any distortion, but I can only do what I can do. But I'm sick of it now, so I've decided to make some rings. Just had some scrap stainless steel. These to go inside the start of the tube here. 3-inch tube. That's to help stop the exhaust gases coming out the side of the gasket and shooting out. So hopefully the exhaust will go straight down, and this is just a bit of an extra. So when I tap that in, fits in there nice and tight. But what I used was a piece of scrap 3-inch or 76mm stainless steel pipe, just from another exhaust job I did. I just cut the section out, enough for it to collapse in when it presses in, nice and tight. And just like this side here, I've just sort of tapping in. And hopefully then I'll put the new gaskets on, we'll seal a lot better, and eliminate probably most of the leaks that I'll have. But a good secure way to do it is either run a V-band style exhaust flange and cut the collector flange off the extractors, or try this way. So I'm trying it this way first, and hopefully it'll be quite successful. Usually use it on the simple 2.5-inch pipe setup halfway down. That's, you know, when you put a flange in, it's easy peasy. But with the collectors, it's a bit of a pain. So I thought this is the quickest solution, and most welcome to try it. But I'll let you know how it goes. Pretty simple. Okay, thank you.